Hi, I'm Digger. I'm the owner and chief mulch maker at Penick Organics.
Digger.
Okay, I sniff, walk on, and dig in the mulch. And I want to talk to you about something very important today. As important as a sunny spot on a cold day. So, listen up. Did you know that back in the dark ages, when Penick Organics was formed, Grandpa Digger decided to use only 100% virgin raw materials in all of our mulch? That means things like pine and hardwood bark and pine wood. Now, other mulch manufacturers are using recycled wood in their colored mulch, but not us. Oh no! Grandpa Digger would roll over in his grave. Do you know why we don't? Because recycled wood can contain things like old pallets, plywood, and wood waste from construction dumpsters. Stuff that might have contaminants like chemicals or metals like nails or screws. Stuff that I might eat or might get in my feet. As Grandpa Digger would say, "You don't know where that's been." We don't ever put that in our mulch. Penick Organics cares about making mulch you can feel good about using around your home, children, and pets. So when you buy mulch, make sure it's made from 100% virgin raw materials. It's as important as my favorite squeaky toy. It might cost a little more, but you can have peace of mind knowing your mulch is chemical, trash, and metal free. It's Digger approved.